Hello, everyone. With the Mandalorian Season 2 coming up, I thought it would be apropos to be unboxing the Armorer. As you can see in front of you, we have the box here. It is a special box, however. It is the Hasbro Pulse exclusive. So you are going to be able to find the Armorer out and about and also online in some specialty retailers. But the Hasbro Pulse exclusive will have some additional accessories. So what we're going to do here today is we're going to go ahead and unbox the Armorer. Of course, we're going to take a look at the outside of the box first. We're going to go ahead and take a look at her articulation, go ahead and see what cool accessories she comes with. We'll talk about what she comes with normally and then what she comes with in this exclusive as well. We'll take some pictures and then we'll go ahead and see if there's anything that I missed and things that I liked or maybe did not like about the figure. So like I said, this is a Hasbro Pulse exclusive. And with that, while I go through here, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up as well. All right, so this is a special box. The box that you'll see in the stores will be slightly different. I do really like these exclusives that they've come out with this year. They've been super special. So on the one side, you have the Armorer right there. As you can see, it says the Armorer right there. And then on the other side, we've got the nice black here. But we do have the colors here for the Mandalorian. If we open it up, we've got kind of a springy inside, and that's basically because we've got a piece of cardboard in there, and you'll see as we take it apart. And then we have the Armorer there. We have the accessories that are special to her, being the exclusive. We've got the helmet, these two tools here, and then I think the little sploosh thing right here is special as well. But these guys without the smelting stuff is not special. You will be able to get that with what you find in the stores. And then we go along the back here, and we've got the cool look for her there. But then we have the special right up here on the side here, which says the Armorer. The Armorer plays a vital role in keeping the culture of the Mandalorians alive. She forges beskar armor in the ancient tradition of her people. We see her forge with exacting precision. When combat is required, she proves to be efficient and resourceful. This is the way. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox her. And basically, unfortunately, the best thing to do is to pull. And there we go. So basically, it was this little piece here that was springy that was keeping her in. And it looks like Jin fell down, so there we go. All right, so we'll put this in the background here. And then we'll go from the bottom. Get our knife here. I think, if I remember, this should actually all come out now, which is good. With a single piece. There we go. And then, yeah, that's what I remembered. All right. I think I've got some clippers around here. Yep, there they are. Definitely recommend getting some snips, and just be careful where you snip. Just make sure you don't actually snip the figure itself. Sometimes that's easier said than done. All right, let's go on this side right here. There we go. We go along her waist, and then snip and snip. And she should be free. Yep. Really like her look. I do like the fact that the boots are nice and heavy, so you don't have the problem that you have with some of the figures, especially some of the female figures. But I'm glad as a Mandalorian, they made her nice and strong. All right. Basically, I just tore this out. I'm not looking to keep that. So we've got the clips. Hammer. Another hammer that fell on the floor. We'll get that. Got a helmet, but if you look on the back, got the coloring there. And then the other snips there. All right, there we go. All right, so if you give me just a moment, we'll go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and we'll start talking about the accessories, and then take a look at her articulation. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the accessories first. So the regular armor basically comes with the hammer and the tongs. The exclusive also comes with those, but comes with another hammer. This time the hammer, though, looks like it's been in the kiln or big old fire. And then the same thing with the tongs here, also like that. Then we have the very cool looking helmet. Looks very much like Jin's over there. I didn't really notice how transparent it is. I don't know if you can see that. I got my finger. Yeah, look at that. It's really cool. I like that. And then we've got the little dish of flame there. And basically, you can go ahead and put this right. I don't know if that's showing up there, but you'll be able to put this right in here. And then you can have the clips hold onto the helmet, and you've got that effect. And I'll try to get a good picture of that in a little bit here. All right, so then we have the armorer herself, the whole reason we're here. I don't know, there's something about what they did for the armorer here. She looks very Viking-esque, especially with the fur on the background there. I'm not really a big fan of the soft goods, but soft goods for her do really well. And these are actually really soft. I was really surprised. So let's go ahead and take a look at the helmet first. The head, oh my gosh, it has so much motion. You can do full 360, up, down, and different variations, like head back. You get some good tilts. And if you'll notice, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, there's actually a head underneath there. I'm not going to try to get the helmet off. There are some pictures on the internet where people did take the helmet off. And if I can find them easily enough, I will insert them around this area right here. Otherwise, you're just going to see my finger going around. Anyways, all right. So, yeah, she's not very flattering, but oh well. All right. So, and then as far as the arms are concerned, we are able to get some good motions in the shoulder, as you would hope. Arm does the full 360. We do not have a double elbow, but she is able to get the full 90. Get the back there. Interesting. Wonder if there's anything that we can do with that peg. Interesting. All right. So there we go on that. And then on the arms, should say the wrist, able to do the full 360, get a back and a forth motion on that arm. And then on this one, it's an up and down. We're not really getting a whole lot of motion, but enough, I'll say. Then on her armor, I really like the armor. I think that's very apropos for her. I like the metallic look that they were able to get on her. She's able to get some good motion on the body torso area there. The skirt is cut on the side or slit on the side, so you're able to get some decent motion there. And then able to turn full 360 there. The knees are single jointed. I keep going back and forth as to whether or not I like the single jointed or not. And then we've got the normal motion on the feet and ankle area. So that is her. This is the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some pictures. I'm going to go ahead and see what I can do as far as getting her into some good poses here. And yeah, as I'm going through there, feel free to ask questions down below. And I'll be right back. All right, so I really like the armor. I'm so glad that Hasbro decided to come out with the armor as quickly as they did. I really, wasn't sure if they were going to, since she didn't seem to, it doesn't look like she's going to be in season 2, although who knows? There's so many spoilers out there about season 2. We won't get into any of those here. Anyways, so just a couple of things. I learned the fact that the helmet clips really nicely right on there like that. So you're able to get that on there, and then obviously you saw the picture with that. So as you can see, just to recap, what we have in our hands, that's what comes with the normal armor, and the stuff down here is what comes with the Pulse exclusive. So yeah, I really liked her. I was happy with how sturdy she was. I was happy with the extra things that she came with. So yeah, good job, Hasbro. So with that, if you have any questions, I ask you again to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in Star Wars The Black Series, I definitely invite you to subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of things that are Star Wars related on the channel, but we're also doing other things as well. Very soon you'll be seeing a lot more Oculus related stuff on the channel, but we also do other things that a professional geek might find interesting. So with that, have a great day.